Okay, this is gonna be RC low pass filter and high pass filter, and the one that we have is the low pass filter. We have the L, which is 33 millihenry and 10 microfarad, which is the cutoff frequency is gonna be 277 hertz, and right now we have the 100 hertz and for now, so it passed through because it's low pass filter. This is the input signal, which is over here, and this is the output signal. So basically whatever input here is going to filter out over here. So when we increase it to 200, it's getting near 300, getting near. See, do you see it? When it's the frequency getting bigger, the output's getting cut down. It's still there, but it's getting small and small. Okay, let's do it. This for the low pass filter. For the high pass, we just flip it these L and C with the same cutoff frequency. Okay, and we turn it on. See, when it's high, it gets passed through. When it's going down, it's getting closer, and 300, 200, see, it's going to be almost the same. 100, it got subtract down. And if we go to 50 hertz, almost gone. So this is high pass frequency. High pass filter for 277. This is our simple project that we starting.